Ooh, it's recording. Oh yeah, it's recording. Hi. What? Hello. Oh yeah. Yeah. Today we got the hat on. You know why? Because we're about to go outside and we're about to get in the giant helicopter. What up? Giant family. Oh my God, it's bright outside. Holy. All right. Oh my gosh. So what do y'all think? What do y'all think we're gonna do today? I got the packs on. I'm ready to go. But the question is, where are we going with the Giant? What are we doing with the Giant? And these are all questions we're gonna have answered by the end of this video. Until then, stay tuned, my friends. Stay tuned. Giant family. Put that in there. We'll put that in there right there. And then right here, we'll put this right here for in here and right here. So we'll do it just like this. Bam. So, you might ask what we're doing today. And, well, Giant family, I just might tell you. What do you think? What do you think, little buddy? Anyway, alright, I guess I'll tell y'all. We're gonna actually use a drone for the first time today for our photo shoot. And, I don't know, using a drone, we'll see how this works. We have a Phantom 3 standard. This is a little older drone, but it still works really well, and it's actually a higher grade drone that we're gonna be using today. It's not one of those cheap like dollar store drones, whatnot. So we're gonna get out there to the middle of nowhere, a good photo shoot spot. It's undisclosed, like I can't tell y'all where it's at, but it's gonna be a great photo shoot, and we're gonna have a bunch of airspace so that we can fly around and jet around, get those awesome angles, you know. We gave a quick bat to the Iron Giant. And all we're gonna do is go do a photo shoot. First thing we probably need to do is clean the windows, because I already see that there's some watermarks on them, and that's not okay. We got some big shows coming up, and if you guys are following our Iron Giant Instagram page, then you will know that we have an upcoming show in San Antonio, Texas with this bad boy and some other bad builds out there. You know, I want you guys to come out and meet us. Say hi, especially if you're from Texas and you're in the Texas Skynet crew. Come by, say hi to us in the Skynet booth. We're gonna have some models there, we're gonna have some fun, some family, and some nice builds for y'all to look at. Just come hang out with us. It's a 3-day show. So if you can't get off of work all 3 days, at least come one day. Just ask your boss for one day. Show them this video. Say you need off for one day. So without further ado, let's take off and go. Oh yeah. Clean. Still have the flyer from last year, and there's a bunch of people that came out. It was a good turnout. The battle at the Alamo. It's actually, last year it was 1-day show. Now it's a whole 3 days, and it's put on by Lifted Outlaws. It's an awesome show. They've got music, food, fun. I mean, a bunch of builds from cars all the way to trucks. They've got races, burnouts. Yeah, so it's awesome. We're gonna be there in, like I said, the Skynet booth, and we're gonna be getting it. Iron Giant will be on display. You already know. Come out and see us. Now let's go do this photo shoot before it gets too dark. All right, so you might be wondering, what am I gonna do with my license plates since they don't match that well with the Giant? Well, I tell you what, there's an awesome company, and they're on Instagram, and they're waiting for your DM to get this awesome product that they thought about, which completely takes care of, you know, whenever you take a picture, then you have to blur out your license plate because you don't want anybody to find out where you live or someone to come and, I don't know, steal you from your house or something. So they make an awesome product that basically takes care of all that. So all you got to do is just slap it on and it covers it. It's called a plate cover, and it's from Effin Fast, and it's a great company, and they've actually gotten really big. Make awesome custom quality license plate covers for you, and they are actually magnetic. So all you have to do is literally just slap it on your license plate and it takes care of that. So these are the ones that we have that they provided for us for the Iron Giant. Obviously it's in packaging, so that's why it looks all kind of like that. But so that goes over my license plate. That way whenever we do photo shoots, I don't have to worry about my license plate or anything. And also the license plate is white and nothing else on my truck is white, so it kind of doesn't really match. But anyway, so that's what we're gonna be using today for today's photo shoot. So let's get it. All right, so first step is to come to an undisclosed location. It's not gonna be that hard for you to find out what it is. Probably a high school, you know, football field or something like that. But anyway, yeah, so we washed the truck down, you know, gave it a little minor little scrub a dub, and it looks pretty nice right now. So what we're gonna do is, obviously we're gonna get in an area, we're gonna kind of set up the Giant at an angle, just the same old stuff, you know, that way we can get some good quality shots of the Giant with the drone going high to the sky like we don't normally have access to. We're normally either right here at this angle, or we're like super low, getting angles of the Giant, which those aren't bad either, but we can also get those with the drone too. So we're gonna go ahead and take the keys out of the Giant, because the last thing we need is for y'all to watch a video where the Giant gets stolen. You know, that would actually get a lot of views. So maybe for the next one. All right, one thing I did want to show y'all is how easy it is to put these effing fast. It's not a cuss word, so technically I'm within the parameters, you know, and the guidelines of YouTube. But anyway, so oh, there we go. This quality build, super I don't know, glossy, and they got 4 magnets in the back that makes it super easy. This is the Effin Fast logo right here, which we also have on the Giant. Looks freaking beast, but check it out. Bam! Look at that. Call me a freaking mechanic. Call me a freaking mechanic. But anyway, so what we're gonna do is we're actually gonna set up the drone on the Giant. If you ever need to just do a quick deployment, you know, hey, these Retrax bed covers right here, it's like a landing zone. Just kidding. We're gonna find a spot in the dirt that doesn't have too much loose items. That way it won't kick it up into the drone, cause damage to the drone. But just in case it activates the return to home feature, it won't land on the Giant and like break the windows and everything. Again, would probably get a lot of views on that. So what we're gonna do is, well, we're gonna lay out everything.
Oh yeah? Yeah, nah, I know you like that.
And obviously safety is the first priority, so we got our flight checklist. That way all of us are maintaining our safety. But we're gonna go ahead and put this together and get to it. Well, all right, now we're good to fly. All right, so they kind of started playing music outside, so for copyright reasons, we're talking in the Giant now. So welcome to Inside the Giant where this is gonna be an episode. No, I'm just kidding. So check out all the awesome drone footage that we get, which will be posted on our Instagram page. Some of it will be posted here, but if you want to look at everything, make sure you hit up iron_giant with 2 T's on Instagram, and that's our truck page right there. So if you want to see all these interesting photos and videos that we're gonna be taking, hit it up and click that follow button. Actually destroy that follow button for it. So what we're gonna do is we're just gonna launch this drone and we're gonna get some killer shots. Let's go. It's time to launch this boy. So it actually wasn't that bad. It wasn't that bad at all. We flew the drone, launched it up, you know, did some 360s on the Giant, got some awesome photos and videos, which, like I said, will be uploaded to the Iron Giant or the Giant Family YouTube channel real soon. I can't let you know all the content. I gotta give it to you in little bits and pieces, you know. But anyway, like I said, it was super easy, super fun, and honestly, this is gonna kill the truck game right here, because a lot of people, like I said, they take videos and pictures with their cell phone, getting real low, making their truck look a little bit bigger. But one thing that a lot of people don't take in consideration is use of drones. Nowadays, you can get that awesome shot just by simply having a drone instead of having a crane or any of those crazy filmmaking devices that cost, you know, millions of dollars. One thing I did see is that the drone can't get real low and then look up kind of at the Giant. So those shots you still got to take manually, but the best shots, honestly, they might have come from the drone. We'll see. Let me know what you think down in the comments. Have you ever used a drone in your photo shoots or videos of your build? Have you ever used it? And if you do have one, let us know what kind of drone you have. There's Mavericks and all these new things through DJI and all these different companies that have drones, but let me know which is the easiest one for you. And I don't know, maybe we'll try it on the Giant, but this turned out real well. said, if you haven't subscribed already, go ahead and click that subscribe, and also click that little notification bell to be notified anytime another Giant Family video drops just for you. Also, like I said earlier, take a look at our Iron Giant Instagram page. Link will be in the description. Also, I'll have a link to all these items, including the drone that I use, the exact same drone that I use, my camera that I use, everything. That way we all grow together. We all learn together. This is the Iron Giant family, and until next time, define greatness.
I'm caught in heaven like 24/7, losing my grip of time with you, with you,
I ran up a check, I might do it again. Enemies close, had me thinking they're friends. 10 toes down, I'll be free until the end. Crib outside the city, I don't feel safe in my hands. Took so many years, I'm just waiting for the wins. I'm in debt to no one but the one who took my sins. I do it for real, there's no reason to pretend. If I do it once, I do it again. Add it up, bankroll, euro, peso.